Today's workout is going to require us to have a lot of body weight awareness. Our workout today is going to be an AMRAP in 20 minutes. And during this AMRAP, we're going to go ahead and see how many rounds we can complete of 10 strict chest to bar pull-ups, 20 hand release push-ups, and 30 dumbbell front rack walking lunges. So we're going to try to get through as many rounds as we can of this triplet as we go through that. Now, for some of us, these movements are going to be challenging, and we're going to need to scale them. If we do have strict chest to bar pull-ups, but maybe not in this amount of 10 reps, we can go ahead and scale that to 5 strict chest to bar pull-ups. We can also scale to 10 chin over bar pull-ups or 5 chin over bar pull-ups. We can also go into 10 feet elevated ring rows. That means we do 10 reps with our feet elevated on a box or a bench. We can also do 5 feet elevated. So that means 5 reps of the feet elevated onto a bench or box ring row. We can also go ahead and just do a regular ring row with our feet on the ground, making that as hard as possible. Those will be 10 reps. We're going to be moving through this and trying to get as deep as we can into a 20-minute round. Now, hand release push-ups are also equally challenging. We can go ahead and do 20 hand release push-ups. We can scale it down to 10 hand release push-ups. That means we're doing a full push-up. We're getting to the bottom, toes stay in contact with the ground. We lift our hands and we press ourselves all the way up into that push-up. If we need to scale it, we can scale down the reps or even the movement. Take a look at the athlete notes for the rest of the scaling for those 2 movements. When we get to those dumbbell front rack walking lunges, we're going to go ahead and get our dumbbells up on our shoulders. If you need to, as long as your hands are wrapped around the handle, you can hold the dumbbells wherever you'd like and however you'd like on your shoulder. That means they can stand straight up, but you do need to make sure that your hand is wrapped around the handle, or at least your fingers are wrapped around the handle the whole time. We're going to go ahead and do 30 walking lunge steps, meaning we're going to go ahead and lightly tap, stand all the way up, and go into the next one. Once you finish 30, set those down and start your next round. This is going to be a similar workout to kind of like a Cindy. So think of it as like a beefed up Cindy, and we'll go ahead and see how many rounds we can get in that 20 minutes.